Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session, we are going to adjust the frequency of UC3842 and UC3843 from 0.2 Hz to 28 Hz. Basically, it is a question from one of my viewers. He asked me, can we set frequency 0.5 Hz to 10 Hz? I adjusted the frequency using these two components, the value of RT and CT. I am using 47 microfarad capacitor. It is not allowable in the IC datasheet because it is SMPS controller, but we are generating, because it is a clock generator, it is a time generator, we are generating the time with this capacitor and 1000 ohms resistor, 1k resistor. That is the maximum frequency. Because this time I am using a used capacitor, 47 microfarad, so its range is slightly less. It is giving 28 Hz, but if we use a best quality capacitor, then we can obtain the same frequency here. And if I will use 101 kilo ohm, at that time the frequency will 0.36 Hz. So let's see, and then we will see the connections. This time the maximum frequency, it is 28 Hz, 28 Hz, 29 Hz, and if I will decrease this potentiometer, the frequency is dropping. When I set it to fully counterclockwise, we can see the time duration of this pulse is decreased now. Now it is 0.204. Its frequency is now 204 millihertz. We can say 0.2 Hz. If I will adjust the potentiometer to clockwise, the frequency is increasing now because the time duration here, time period, is decreasing. It is 909 millihertz. We can say 0.9 Hz. We can adjust as per our requirement. It is now 1.25 Hz. 7. 25 Hz. And at full clockwise, the output frequency is 28.5 Hz. We can say 28 Hz. How I made corrections? I applied voltage to VCC pin. Pin 6 is output. 2, 3 and 5 will ground it. Pin number 4, it will connect it to 47 microfarad capacitor. 8 and 1 will be jumpered. We are connecting 5 volt, the reference voltage, to pin number 1 to the analog amplifier, and 1 kilo ohm resistor with 100 kilo ohm potentiometer. When we adjust to fully clockwise, at that time we are decreasing this potentiometer. Just only 1 kilo ohm resistor will here, so this capacitor will charge quickly. At that time the frequency is high, 28 Hz. And if we will make it counterclockwise, in that time we are adding this resistance with 1k. So when the resistor will increase, it will decrease the ramps, charging and discharging ramps here at pin number 4, so that this IC will generate that timing pulses. Let's see the connections. Pin number 8 is jumper to pin number 1. From pin number 1, I connected 1 kilo ohm resistor to this potentiometer. It is 100 kilo ohm potentiometer. Pin 2 and 3 are jumpered together, and it is connected to pin number 5. 5 is grounded. We connected 47 microfarad capacitor between pin number 5 and 4. At pin number 4, we connected this potentiometer as well. The slider of this potentiometer and the leftmost pin is connected to this point. Pin number 7 is VCC pin and pin 6 is output. So this is the total circuit, and we are taking the output. When we adjust it counterclockwise, the frequency will decrease. So it is now working at 1.1 Hertz. So if you want to limit it exactly 0.5 Hertz, you can increase this resistor value. So it will give this result, and if you want to limit exactly at 10 Hertz, then you can adjust this resistor as well. If you will increase the resistance, the frequency will decrease. If we will decrease the capacitor value, the frequency will increase. For example, here I am using 47 microfarad, and if I will use 4.7 microfarad, the frequency will 3.6 Hertz with maximum resistance, and if I will use 1 kilo ohm resistance, the output frequency will 365 Hertz. Now with 47 microfarad, with both potentiometer 100K and 1K, that is here, if the both resistors will come in series 101, the output frequency must be 0.362 Hertz. We are adjusting the frequency less than 100 Hertz. So in that case, we have to adjust it. Either it is not allowed in the data sheet, but as per requirement of our friend, we can adjust it. So 47 with maximum resistance, it is 0.36. But this time the capacitor is not with actual 47 microfarad. So you can select some good capacitor and it must provide the same result. And you can adjust the frequency, you can adjust the resistor value by just adding the value in this formula. 101, it is 0.36, and we will decrease the resistance, the frequency will increase. If we will decrease the capacitor value, the frequency will increase. For example, I am using 1 microfarad, the frequency will 17 Hertz with maximum resistance, and with minimum resistance 1720. So this combination of capacitor and resistor will give you the required result, and you can set it. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.